Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how machines are on another level than you've seen before. A truck with a shovel, specialized equipment adapted as an aid when using other machines, can be used as a pole in winter. The set of a truck with a shovel is very rare. You may have seen it for the first time. When the shovel is driven into the ground, another machine used to lay pipes underground is pulled by a rope on the machine, thus taking the load off the machine. The vehicle is adapted to various terrain conditions. Thanks to the equipped Caterpillar tracks, it can move in extreme terrain conditions. A machine for mixing muddy fields. The use of such a machine that has a drive from rotating along the augers can turn the soil by driving while aerating it. A heavy machine thanks to such a drive will never get buried even in the greatest mud. Every few days this machine enters the fields and dries the land, where it can later be developed in various ways, from construction to use for agricultural purposes. Cat Bulldozer. The machine has tools for work, such as a rear stone ripper and a front bumper for leveling. After the recess of the rear device, stones located underground can be pulled out, thanks to which another machine, such as an excavator, is easier to dig the ground. Bulldozers are an unstoppable construction machine in today's construction world. They can level the land on which to build new roads, buildings, and level the land needed for other purposes. Construction bulldozers can have other uses, such as removing obstacles encountered on the road, for example, uprooting trees, or even demolishing. This machine is really adapted to many tasks. Huge dimensions make a real impression.